Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will tell you how you can log in and use the new Bing AI. The new Bing AI has been launched in the Microsoft Edge. So you can only use the new Bing AI in the Microsoft Edge. So in order to log in and access, we have to click on Microsoft Edge, and here we have to type first we have to type Bing, and after that we have to click on this, and in here we have to write new Bing. So we have to click on the first link. Here we have to click on the access the new Bing faster, and here we have to do two steps to access our Bing AI. So the first step is access the new Bing AI even faster. So the first step is we have to set Microsoft Edge defaults on your PC, and the second step is we have to install these two apps. First app is Bing app or Skype app. So we have to install these two apps. So also, in order to access the Bing AI more fastly, we can click on the see examples. So here you can access the Bing AI. So here are some tasks like find me a music festival, help me find a pet, I need a big fast car. So these are some examples which you can use the Bing AI. So in order to use the Bing AI fully, you have to enroll yourself in the waitlist. So I will click help plan my special anniversary trip. So I will click on this. So this is the Bing AI. It is creating for me the text. Click on see more. So this is the text which Bing AI has been generating for me. So like congratulations on your anniversary, there are many places you can go, there are within 3 of it. So these are some examples. Like we will click on another example which is create 3 course menu. So this will generate. This is the Bing AI which I was talking about. We click on see more, and this was the answer which the new Bing AI has been created for me, like write a rhyming poem. So here what's I generate for you. So these are more options like create a joke, a blog post, poem, or code. So it can also generate codes for you. Like I will click on code, write a code to tic-tac-toe game in JavaScript. So this Bing AI will create a tic-tac-toe game in the JavaScript. So this is the coding for this. This is all the coding, and it can also create a blog post. So I will click on blog post, write a blog post comparing the different types of noise cancellation earphones. So this is like ChatGPT, but it is far more better than ChatGPT because it is Microsoft certified and Microsoft has launched it. I will click on letter. So it will write a letter for me to my representative in support of making election day on national holiday. So this is the letter which is the AI create for me. Now I will click on story. So it is better than ChatGPT. So this is how you can access the Bing AI and use the Bing AI for your purposes. So the AI is writing a story for me. Buddy was a dog who loved to run fast and perform circus acts. He could jump through hoops, balance on balls. So this is how you can log in and access the Bing AI. So this was the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.